Assalamu alaikum, my name is Hania Emaan and today I'm going to do a comparative study of how phrases combine to create meaningful clauses and sentences in Punjabi and English language. So I'm going to do a comparative and study of both languages, English and Punjabi. So let's start. First of all, how language is organized. So I'm going to give you a general outlook on how language is organized. So first of all, let us see how words combine to create phrases, and then how those phrases combine to create clauses, which may and may not be a complete sentence. Like if that clause is an independent clause, we can consider it as a sentence. But if that clause is a dependent clause, then it will combine with an independent clause to create a sentence. So is another topic, but my topic is how phrases are created and how they combine to create sentences. So there are different types of phrases, and here I have mentioned different examples. So we have a word beautiful, or we have a word intelligent, or we have a word girl. But when we combine these two words, girl and intelligent, we'll have a phrase which is intelligent girl. So this is a phrase. In English, we will say that an intelligent girl or a beautiful boy. These are the phrases. Similarly, in Punjabi, we can say that ek sona munda, ya ek soni kudi, ya ek siani kudi. Yeah, these are the examples of phrases in Punjabi language. So we have phrases in Urdu language as well. When we say ek pyara ladka, ek zahin ladki, ek kursi, ek kitab. So these are the phrases in Urdu language. So what is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words related that function as a single unit but does not contain a complete subject verb combination. So the difference between phrase and the clause is that in phrase we do not have the noun verb combination. In clause we have a noun and we have a verb as well, but in phrases we do not have this combination. So here I have mentioned some examples from English and some from Punjabi. So in English we say in the room, and in Punjabi we say kamre vich. Similarly in Urdu, which I have not mentioned, but in Urdu we will say kamre mein. So all of these are phrases in three different languages. So there are different types of phrases based on their head words. By head word, which we mean that the word which which defines the category of phrase. Like we have noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, and and these categories are made on the basis of their head words. Like which is the head word in those phrases. I'll explain the concept of head word later. Like we see noun phrase. So noun phrase is what a combination of words as a is a group of words that function as a noun. So in English we will say the young girl, my best friend. So these are the phrases which function as a noun, and in these phrases the word girl and the word friend are the head words. Similarly in Punjabi, Jwan Puri, the young girl. So the word Puri here is the head word. Next we have verb phrases, which is studying, has arrived. So these are the phrases which are acting as a verb in any sentence. In similarly in Punjabi, we will say पढ़ रहा है या आ चुका है या आ चुके हैं. There are different dialects in Punjabi as well. So uh, in my language we would say आ चुके हैं या पढ़ चुके हैं. So these are the phrases which act as a verb a verb, but the word here is chuk, a, ya, pad. These two words are the head words in these phrases. So I'm sure I have explained the concept of head as well. Then we have adjective phrase. Similarly, the adjective phrase describes a noun. As we all know that adjective describes a noun. Similarly, the adjective phrase is a group of words that describe a noun. So we will say full of hope or rich in culture, or in Punjabi we will say उम्मीद नाल भरिया या उम्मीद नाल भरपूर या कल्चर रिवायतां नाल भरिया. These are the adjective phrases we have in Punjabi. Similarly, in Urdu we would say उम्मीद से भरपूर और सकाफत से सकाफत में काफ़ी अमीर. So these are the adjective phrases in Urdu. Then we have adverb phrases. Adverb phrase, as I've told you, adjective phrase describe a noun. So adverb phrase describes modify a verb or adjective. As we say in English, with great care or slowly. In Punjabi we say हौली हौली या ध्यान नाल. In Urdu we say आराम से या तेजी से या आहिस्ता आहिस्ता. So these are called adverb phrases. Then we have prepositional phrases. So prepositional phrases is give information about the place, time, or direction of any noun or any phrase. So in English we have different prepositional phrases such as on the table, under the bed, on the chair, uh, near the school, near in the corner. So these are the prepositional phrases in English. Similarly, we have prepositional phrases in Punjabi, Urdu, and other languages as well. Like in Punjabi, we would say "mez te," "o botal mez te payi hai." So the phrase "mez te" here is a prepositional phrase because it is describing the position, the location of that bottle. And similarly in Urdu we would say वो किताब मेज पर पड़ी हुई है. So the मेज पर is prepositional phrase. So now I have discussed all the types of phrases. Let's come to the topic that how phrases create clauses. So a clause is contain a subject and a verb. Phrases combine to form clauses. Like I have two clauses. इंटेलिजेंट बच्चा कुर्सी पर बैठा हुआ है. तो in this sentence I have two clauses, two phrases: intelligent student and मेज पर. The intelligent student is sitting on the table. So here I have two phrases: the intelligent student and on the table. So these two phrases combine to create a clause, which is the intelligent student is sitting on the table. Similarly, in Punjabi, we would say ਉਹ ਕੁੜੀ ਕਮਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਈ. So या सोहनी कुड़ी कमरे च गई. So in this sentence I have two phrases: सोहनी कुड़ी and कमरे ਵਿੱਚ and then गई. Basically I have three phrases here. So that's how phrases combine to create clauses which may and may not be a complete sentence. So, in conclusion, I would say, like I can conclude from all my discussion that language is not just a random set of words and random combination of words. There is a hierarchical structure and a hierarchical order in language. Like words combine to create phrases, and then phrases combine to create clauses, and sometimes those clauses combine to create complex sentences. So also through this discussion we can conclude that both in English and Punjabi phrases exist, and to some extent both have similar structure of phrases and how those phrases combine. The structure and the phenomena is almost same in both language and in Urdu as well.